This is the Digital Earth Australia portal, a free online interactive collection of decades of satellite data. Let's have a look at some basic navigation using just the base map. To move the map around, left-click and drag with your mouse. To zoom in and out, scroll with your mouse wheel. As the Digital Earth Australia portal uses 3D space, you can tilt and rotate the map by clicking in and holding the mouse scroll wheel. You can also use these buttons on the right to zoom in and out. And to reset your view, click the home icon. Click anywhere on the map to see the coordinates of a location. If you click on any point on the map, you will see details about any active data layers for that position. The location icon on the right-hand side will drop a pin on your current location if your browser's location services are turned on. Map settings allow you to explore different 3D capabilities, set which side of the map the Compare tool will use, change your base map layer, toggle the timeline, use your computer's resolution, and adjust for quality or performance. The Compare tool allows you to compare the same dataset at 2 different times. You can also compare different datasets at the same or at different times. We will explore this in another video. Pedestrian mode puts you on the surface of the map, allowing you to see the landscape from a human perspective. Controls for this mode appear on the left side of the map. The line measure tool allows you to measure the distance between 2 points on the map. The Share/Print button presents you with the option to share a link to the current view and data you have on your map, or convert the current view and data on your map into a PNG image. Once you have explored your data, you might wish to create an interactive narrative for others to follow. The story function allows you to capture scenes of data and locations and provide text description. To learn more about the story function, click on Getting Started to watch a short video. Finally, to add data to the map and begin exploring, click on Explore Map Data on the left. Here you can select from 6 broad data categories. Watch the next video to learn more about adding data layers to the map and using some of the Digital Earth Australia portal tools.